Hey guys, it's Merrill. Today I'm going to be applying these rain guards to my car, and here today with me is my good buddy Logan from the Stafford Way channel.
What's up, guys?
And what you need to do this, you need some rubbing alcohol, some paper towels, and of course the rain guards. You can get these rain guards at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, generally around 70 bucks or so, but for the usage you're going to get out of them, that's definitely worth it. Alright guys, to start this out, you need to take the paper towels, apply some rubbing alcohol to it, and then wipe down the area where you'll be applying the rain guards. And I'll start on the front and Logan will start on the back there so we can get this done pretty quick. And what this does is it just cleans up the area you'll be putting the rain guards in to make sure that the adhesive that's on them will apply well to the door. Alright, that's good for this side. And then you just gotta let that dry before you start applying the rain guards. Alright guys, now what you need to do is you'll take your rain guard and figure out which side's which. And it's pretty obvious because if you look at this is obviously the driver's side. And that is obviously the passenger side, because as you can see the flat side's on this end, so if you went and tried to apply that to the door,
It'd look kind of silly.
it'd look very silly. Whereas with this one, very obviously that's how it goes.
And what he's showing, it's kind of hard to see with the plastic and the glare, but this is the flat side, and then you got the curved side right there.
I was in the camera for that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just realized I'm way over here. Yeah, we don't need that one yet. That's the faster side.
Yeah, no, I'm just taking that off.
Okay. So, what you'll do is you'll try and line this up along there. Should fit where you have this side at the edge of your door right there, and then that along the top down to the curve there. And that's how it should look. So now we're going to take the covering off the adhesive and apply it. And now, the way you want to do this, you want to hold it like this with your fingertips over it and giving a bit of space from the door. Because what you're going to do is you're going to line it up with your fingertips and then slowly apply pressure to stick it to the floor. Nice. And now, that's the rain guard for the driver's side door.
Sweet.
And so we showed you the driver passenger side door. It also comes with rear door rain guards. Obviously, with this the flat side and that's the curved side, it goes on the driver's side.
And you should be able to tell because it'll look like a uniform curve.
Okay, and then you want to line it up with your front one because you don't want the back one to be a little bit higher than the front one because that'll look really dumb.
Yeah, it would.
That being said, it's a really easy mistake to do, and people aren't really going to notice that. I mean,
right.
The people who are going to notice that. It only takes like half an hour, you know, to get the...
to get the adhesive off.
Alright, so...
Hey, what I'm also thinking is that we flip the car completely around instead. Yeah. That way we don't get your personal stuff in it, your house.
Yeah.
I mean, you can just, I mean, I show my house, but working and you got something that you got to unbox, try to leave the box intact. It's a good storage for trash while you're working. That way you ain't got to go back, pick up a mess. Saves you a lot of time. But anyways.
And now that we've got these applied, what this means is that, of course, my car's protected from rain. What that means is that during the summer, you know, you get those sunny days where you come in and it's sunny, you leave your windows down, then hour later, suddenly it's pouring freaking rain, you're like, shit, my car. Well, with these rain guards, you can leave your windows cracked to keep your car from getting freaking hot.
Right.
And still be protected from the rain. So this was my video on applying rain guards to your car. I hope it's helpful.
See you later.
See ya.